Welcome to County Office, your ultimate guide to local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Does Arizona have a property tax exemption? If you are curious about property tax exemptions in Arizona, you are in the right place. Many residents wonder if they can reduce their property tax burden. Let's break down what you need to know. Yes, Arizona does offer property tax exemptions. These exemptions are primarily aimed at specific groups, such as veterans with disabilities, widows and widowers, and individuals with total and permanent disabilities. The exemptions work by lowering the assessed value of the property, which subsequently reduces the amount of property tax owed. For the tax year 2025, the maximum exemption amount is for $1,748 of assessed property value. This means when calculating property taxes, the taxable value of the property is reduced by this amount. To qualify for these exemptions, there are several eligibility criteria. First, the property owner must be a legal resident of Arizona. Additionally, the total assessed value of all property owned in Arizona cannot exceed $31,347. This corresponds to a limited property value of $313,470 for residential properties. Household income limits also apply. For households without minor children, the annual income cannot exceed $30,843. If there are minor children living in the home, the limit increases to $46,600. Certain income sources, like Social Security, railroad retirement, or veteran disability income, do not count towards this income calculation. For widows and widowers, proof such as a spouse's death certificate must be provided. Veterans' exemptions are prorated based on the percentage of disability. For example, a veteran who is 50% disabled would receive half of the full exemption amount. Now, let's talk about the application process. Applications are usually accepted annually between early January and late February or early March. Applicants must submit proof of eligibility, including Arizona identification, income documentation like tax returns, and for disabled individuals, a certification from a physician confirming total and permanent disability. First-time filers, especially widows and widowers, may need to apply in person. The exemption applies to individually owned real estate, which includes residential property and mobile homes. In some cases, it can also apply to automobiles. These exemptions can provide meaningful tax relief for qualifying residents. They help reduce the financial burden of property taxes for vulnerable populations, such as disabled veterans and surviving spouses. Understanding these exemptions is essential for anyone involved in property research and real estate in Arizona. It can help in advising clients on potential tax benefits and ensuring accurate property tax assessments.
To learn more, check out these links, which you can click in the description below. And feel free to comment your questions. We're here to help.
Want the inside scoop on your neighborhood? Imagine knowing exactly what your neighbors paid or who actually owns that stunning house down the block. At countyoffice.org, you can create a free account and snoop through over 150 million property records, owner names, mortgage details, sale prices, all those things other sites make you pay for. Don't miss out on the fun. Just Google countyoffice.org property records or head to countyoffice.org directly and create your free account today. Go on, get your snoop on.